In this ever-changing modern world, where technology and lifestyles are constantly evolving, we at San Juan Pools are excited to introduce something truly revolutionary, the Clearwater Beach Fiberglass Pool. Imagine transforming your backyard into a serene beach destination. With our new Clearwater Beach Fiberglass Pool, we've crafted a unique, beach entry experience unlike any other. This vast, shallow entry, only inches deep, will instantly whisk you away to your favorite seaside haven, right from the comfort of your home. But wait, there's more. Love deeper waters? The Clearwater Beach Pool has got you covered. It boasts a spacious basin, perfect for 3 to 4 bathers to float, relax, and escape the daily grind. Picture yourself on a raft, gently rocked by the soothing water, forgetting life's demands as you bask in your personal oasis. The Clearwater Beach is more than just a pool, it's a lifestyle change, a ticket to endless relaxation and joy. San Juan Fiberglass Pools is the oldest manufacturer of fiberglass swimming pools and spas in the United States.